Struggling to stay motivated during your workouts? Let's face it, sometimes the same old routine can get boring. But the good news is, fitness doesn't have to feel like a chore. In today's video, I'm sharing my top tips to make your workouts more fun and engaging so you can stay consistent and actually enjoy your fitness journey. Making workouts fun is key to staying consistent and achieving your fitness goals. When you're excited to work out, it doesn't feel like a task. You'll not only push yourself harder, but also look forward to each session. First up, try new activities. If you've been doing the same routine for a while, switch it up. Join a dance class, try kickboxing, or take your workout outdoors for a fresh experience. New activities will challenge your body in different ways and keep things exciting. Music has the power to completely change the vibe of your workout. Create an upbeat playlist of your favorite songs, or listen to a podcast or audiobook that makes the time fly by. The right tunes can boost your energy and keep you motivated. Working out with a friend is one of the best ways to make fitness fun. You can push each other, share laughs, and stay accountable. Plus, it turns a solo activity into a social one. Lastly, gamify your workouts. Set small challenges, track your progress, and reward yourself when you hit milestones. There are apps that make fitness feel like a game, helping you stay engaged and motivated. Fitness should be fun, not something you dread. Whether you're adding new activities, music, or friends into the mix, there are so many ways to spice up your workouts and keep them exciting. Let me know in the comments what makes your workouts fun, and be sure to like and subscribe for more tips. Subscribe for more fitness and wellness tips, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss out on new videos.